Sally.
Hello, Claire. Are you ready for your spring cleaning today?
I am.
Excellent. In this big box is a little box with everything you need for your Eco Spring Clean.
Amazing. I can't wait to discover what's in here.
Yeah, well, let's go and have a look.
So Sally, I'm so excited, because as you know, I run a guest house and day spa here. So we're always cleaning with lots of products. So the fact that you've promised that I can reduce the amount of products that I use eco-friendly products that give possibly better results than what I'm using, excites me. So Sally, thank you. In this box, I've got all the 12 items for my spring cleaning challenge.
Yeah, here we have it all ready for the big Eco Spring Clean. This is our Spring Clean Eco Kit. It has everything you need to power through your spring cleaning. It's all chemical free, it's all plastic free, it's sustainable, and probably you won't need rubber gloves. So it's a great liberation when you can just pick up a cloth and clean something and not even having to dig around for wet rubber gloves and things like that. But once you understand how much fun it is to clean things really quickly, because these are really fast working products, you're going to want to continue to use these products forever.
I'm so excited. I accept this challenge.
Oh, fantastic. So we're going to leave you with this. We'll do a few little demos in the kitchen just so you can get a bit of an idea, a bit of a head start. And we're going to pop back in a week's time, and then you can tell us how you found everything. You can probably pass on some of your eco-cleaning tips and highlights of your spring clean the first week. So that would be really exciting.
So Sally, you want me to put all my products in this quarantine box?
Everything.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So you're saying I don't need gloves?
No, and these can go. No. What is all this? Oh,
Washing up liquid?
No, put it away. I'm allergic to it.
Elbow grease?
No! That's a good name. But...
Diacal?
Oh,
for
no.
line scale?
Oh, no, you don't need that.
Flash?
Nah.
What about Jif?
No, you don't need that. I've got walnut shell powder.
Not even flash for the floor?
Oh, no, put it away. No. Make you feel funny. You put that on the floor.
What about my stainless steel cleaner?
No.
I think that's it. Oh,
no, keep going. I can see more things on there.
Bleach?
No, that's all going.
Not even my dishwasher
Bleach,
stuff.
no, you don't need to buy bleach again.
I never buy bleach
Oh,
again.
you don't need bleach
My
again.
sponges?
No.
My soap crystals?
No. Well, you might need those occasionally.
What about this?
Out for you. No.
So, residue plant food, insect spray, and dishwasher soap.
Keep the dishwasher soap. You don't need these. Is it dishwasher soap?
Yeah, same dishwasher.
Oh, okay. What's that?
She's so strict.
I know. What is that?
Dishwasher towel.
Oh, don't need that. Just to remind ourselves of the difference. Yeah, little box of tricks, and yeah, big box. So I'm barely going to be able to get the tape on here now, but I'll find a way. Now, you can keep this here, but I'll know if you've opened it. Do join us for our big Eco Spring Clean. Start now by getting our Spring Clean Eco Kit on our website, naturalspasupplies.co.uk, and do follow us here so we can catch up with Claire's Eco Spring Clean.